Good morning, children. See, children, in our last class, what we have learned about Nana, we have started the pronoun topic. What is a pronoun? A word which is used before a noun instead of a noun is known as the pronoun. What is a pronoun, Nana? A word which is used instead of a noun is known as the pronoun. And what are the pronouns? What we have discussed, children? Personal pronouns. We have discussed about the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the pronouns which are used for persons. I will give the key points Nana, what we have discussed and what we are going to discuss. What we have discussed about the pronoun. Words used instead or in place of a noun. Okay, in place of a noun. And we have discussed about personal pronoun. Pronouns, sorry, Nana, personal pronoun. See, children, personal pronouns are the pronouns used for persons. Pronouns used for persons are known as personal pronouns. Pronouns used for persons are known as personal pronouns. And I have given you the list of the pronouns which we can use for the persons, and I told first of s should not be used. And we have discussed about the subject and the object, means the pronouns which are used as a subject and the pronouns which are used as a object. Okay, now see children, what are the pronouns used as a subject pronouns? Let us discuss again. Subject pronouns ante em chesam nana? I, she, it, they, he, okay, we, you. These are the pronouns which we are using as a subject of any statement, and the pronouns which I am going to write now, they are used as a object of the statement. Okay, what are those pronouns? See children, my, what are they? My, us, his, us, mine, okay, your, yours, its, hers, theirs, ours, etc. These are the pronouns which are used as a object. Now you may ask, what is the subject and what is the object? As you are in 3rd standard only, Nana, just I can give you the in brief so that you can easily understand. See children, if I am suppose I am writing a statement. She teaches us. Okay, this is a simple statement. She teaches us. Who is teaches us? Who? About whom we are discussing here? She. So she is known as the subject and the doer of the action. Whoever is performing the action in the statement, about whom we are discussing, talking about, that part of the sentence is known as the subject, Nana, and the receiver is known as object. So as we can't start our statement with us. We have to start our statement with he, she, it, we, you, they, such words. So they are known as the subjects. These are the object pronouns and these are the subject pronouns. Next children, singular and plural of the pronouns. See, and there is we. What is the plural for me, Nana? Us. Me, singular, plural, but very easy. It's not like nouns. Nouns are unlimited. See children, few limited pronouns has been given to you. I will send today a picture. A few singulars and plurals have been given to you. So I, what is the plural form for I, Nana? We. Okay. Next they gave me. What is the plural for me, Nana? Us. Next they gave my. What is the plural for my? Our. Next they gave you. You is you plural, you only, Nana. Next they gave to you your plural, your only. And next children they gave he plural, they. Next they gave he or she, both we can write they only. Okay, next Nana, him, them, him or her, రెండిటికి them Nana, his or her, their. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒకటి గమనించాలి, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్. హిమ్ ప్లూరల్ ఓన్లీ, దెమ్ నన్న, హిజ్ ప్లూరల్ దేర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్ మైన్, అవర్స్, యువర్స్, హర్స్, theirs. So in this way I have given you some plural pronouns, singular form of the pronoun and plural form of the pronoun children. See children, pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun or instead of a noun, and there is a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are the pronouns Nana which are used for the persons. Now if few more examples we will discuss Nana, so that you will be clear with your doubts after discussion. Okay, just a few examples today we will learn about the pronouns. Okay, I will write few blanks so that easily you can understand the topic. I'll give you option, then we will go for the best option. Okay, my parents love dash me or my. Okay, question number 2, we are doing dash work. Okay, us or our. Okay, come next Nana, third one, the teacher is teaching dash, we or us. Coming to the fourth one Nana, I shall help dash brother, you or your. Fifth one children, I am writing dash a letter, his or him. Okay, these are the few blanks given to you. By finishing these blanks we will just have just a little bit knowledge on the pronoun. See children, my parents love dash me or my. What we can use as an object at the end, we are using me. My parents love me. Okay, we are doing dash work, us work, our work. We are doing our work. The teacher is teaching, we or us. The teacher is teaching us. I shall help dash brother, your help brother, you brother, not Nana, your brother. I am writing him a letter, I am writing him a letter. So in this way, with the in the given pronouns only I have chosen the correct answer and I wrote it. It's very easy for you also, Nana. Tomorrow again I will explain few more examples related to the pronouns. 2-3 days it will take, Nana. Pronoun, it is a new topic to you which has been introduced in the third class. In your textual grammar you may have exercises related to this chapter. Okay, have a nice day all of you.